I'm Peggy Newfield. Our next Children's Etiquette Certification Program is coming up October the 21st through the 24th. We welcome your participation. Participants have come to our training from all over the world, and actually they've enriched our lives with their stories and their histories.
I'm Valoria, Marketing Director here at the American School of Protocol, and I get to witness each and every person's transformation that happens as they walk through our doors.
I'm Emily, and my job here at the American School of Protocol is to keep everything running smoothly on a daily basis. When our participants come through our Children's Etiquette Certification training, they leave well equipped to really make a difference for children, give them the confidence and the skills that they need to thrive and achieve through elementary school, high school, college, and beyond. It's such a rewarding thing, and we really hope that you can join us.
We have so much fun in these classes. I hope you will come and join us.